Joy, you look pale. Do you feel sick today? Joy, you look pale. Do you feel sick today?
Yes, Sam. I do not feel well. My body feels hot. Yes, Sam. I do not feel well. My body feels hot.
Let me check your temperature right now. Let me check your temperature right now. Oh dear, you have a high fever. Please lie down. Oh dear, you have a high fever. Please lie down.
Okay, Sam. Please bring me some water. Okay, Sam. Please bring me some water.
Here is some warm water and 2 pills.
Here is some warm water and 2 pills.
Thank you. Should I take this tablet now? Thank you. Should I take this tablet now?
Yes, take the medicine and drink more water.
Yes, take the medicine and drink more water.
I feel sleepy. I want to take a nap. I feel sleepy. I want to take a nap. I woke up. I feel much better now.
I woke up. I feel much better now.
Wonderful. Are you hungry right now? Wonderful. Are you hungry right now?
Soup, please. Soup, please.
Okay, I will cook chicken soup for you immediately. Okay, I will cook chicken soup for you immediately.
Wow, you did a wonderful job practicing with us today.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
Next time, I am going into the kitchen to cook for Joy. Will I burn the kitchen? Check out our next video, Sam Cooks Soup. See you next time. Bye.